Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect visitor or customer based on their region using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard. Scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, so you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to redirect customer based on their region to different web page or custom URL. So in code you see page 1, page 2, so you can add custom URL according to your requirement. And then you see data region Punjab, so our location is Punjab, Pakistan. So when visitor come from Pakistan, Punjab, then redirect to google.com page 1. So when customer come from California region, then redirect to page 2. So this is our link, and then you see fetch ipinfo.io JSON. So this is our API request. Now open this link and then you see IP, hostname, city, region. So this region we are using in custom code California. Now back to code, so you can add custom URL and region according to requirement. And if you want to add more region, then you see else if. Now copy this else if and then paste and then add your data region here, and then you can change this page 2 to page 3 or 4 and then scroll up, you see page 2. Now copy this line and then paste and then change this page 2 to page 3 and then add your custom URL, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location side by header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. So our region is Pakistan, Punjab. Now open website. So this is our website, and then you see redirect to Google. Again open it. Now open our website and then again redirect to google.com. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.